Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Nexon model year and whether the factory head unit supports offline GPS or requires Android Auto/Apple CarPlay. This matters because connection method changes. Once done, make sure ignition is at ACC and your phone's Bluetooth and location are on. Plug a good quality USB cable into the car and phone. If the unit needs SIM or hotspot for live maps, enable mobile data. You're now ready to access navigation settings and begin pairing or mounting map files. You pair your phone with the infotainment via Bluetooth first, then connect the USB to activate Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. This is required for many Nexon units to display navigation apps. Next, open the car's navigation app or Android Auto Maps and import maps if using offline files. Transfer via USB or SD as instructed. Make sure the GPS antenna or module has a clear roofline view. If external, reposition it. Also allow location and background permissions on your phone so continuous routing works. You finish by running a short route test to verify map accuracy, voice guidance, and any lane guidance. Observe satellite fix time and accuracy. If the unit fails to get a GPS fix, restart the head unit and your phone, clear the navigation app cache, and retry. Temporary software glitches often resolve that way. If problems persist, check the GPS fuse and wiring for the infotainment, reposition or replace the antenna, and consult dealer diagnostics. Hardware faults need professional attention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.